Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today literally commemorates my 2.5 year ownership of this Tohatsu outboard. And because I bought it back in 2008 towards the end of February and today is August 29th, 2020. So literally 2.5 years, and I'm gonna go over, guys, a few details about it. In general, for those of you who like to watch things quick, it is reliable. It hasn't broken on me once. It just goes bangs every time. It's an incredible little motor, and I have done so many adventures. For those of you who watch my channel, you've seen the places I've been to, but I put a few clips right now so you guys can see. I've been to rivers, lakes, beaches, intercoastal waterways, the Gulf, you name it. I mean, this little motor has taken me places together with my inflatable boat. So I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can see it up close, because there is some wear and tear, nothing major. It's just, regular scuffs and scratches, and I'll go over a few things. So I'll bring you in. So here is the motor up close, guys. So you guys can see 2.5 years of use. I do not have an hour counter on it, but it is in the 200s. I know that for a fact, because I have used this extensively, quite a bit. Let me open the compartment so you guys can see from inside. There we go. It is pristine. Look at it. As if I just bought it. Very, very pristine. Very clean. Everything works. I don't use the internal gas tank anymore. I use the external one. Here's the tiller. Tiller works just fine. The bottom might be a little dirty, but not rusted or nothing. Everything moves. Joints move just fine. And the gear. This thing has been very reliable. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put it on the water so you guys can see what what it does when you start it up. Before I put it in the water, I want to show you guys the propeller. Check this out. Over here at the bottom unit, the propeller has received quite a bit of damage because I have hit a bunch of rocks on the water and all coral reefs. But as you can see, the paint is not chipped, maybe a little scratched, but it holds up incredibly. This thing is well made. It really is. Let me show you the other side. This is basically the side that hits the rocks. No chips, no nothing. The paint, it's just well made. It really is. And the sink Anode or Anode, still intact. All right, let me go ahead and put it in the water. All right, so right now I believe it's fully primed. Yep, it really is. Put it on choke. Put it on start. Should get started nicely. Let's see, I think it's on neutral. Yeah, yes it is. There we go. Just kind of let it warm up out there. Usually takes about 1 or 2 pulls, fully primed. Here it is. Oh man, I love this little motor. It's been so reliable. It's been so great to me. Impeller's still pumping water hard. I have not changed the impeller. Impeller's still pretty good. Everything is turning. Let me see if I can actually shift it. You guys can see. There we go. Forward, backwards. It just does, man. I'm telling you, it just does. This little motor, if you happen to buy it, it is reliable. They can be pricey, I'm not gonna lie, even used. Brand new nowadays, that these go for about $1,500. Back in 2018, I think they had it on special for $200. That model. The newer model, apparently, you can lay it on any side you want. This one can only be laid. The 2008 model can only be laid on the side of the tiller. So there is some limitations. So they have improved the technology, but also the price. That's one of the things. Anyway, I'm gonna go over a few things. I use a 7.8x7 propeller on this one. It sacrifices some of the top speed Usually I will go 70 miles per hour by myself on the boat, no one else. With the original prop, which is 7.8 by 8, 7.8 by 8. And I bought this an additional 7.8 by 7 because I've been beating it up a lot. Although the propeller's been holding on pretty good, I bought an extra one just in case. So yeah, guys, here it is. And it's full glory. Let me rev it a little bit. So guys, 2.5 years of this incredible outboard. Amazing adventures for those of you who follow my channel. Countless memories, meeting lots of people. You know what? It was worth it. At least for me it was. It really was worth it. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. This is just a quick show, a quick video for me to show you guys that it's been a reliable motor, because for the past year or so, I had quite a few of you subscribers asking me how the motor has been, how it's held up, and it's held up pretty good, solid. The paint doesn't want to chip, no matter how much I bang it on coral reefs and rocks. Not that I want to. It's just I tend to go to shallow waters, and anyway, it happens. Anyways, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.